Hi, boys and girls. Yesterday in writing, you got to add your table of contents page down here, see it down there, to your writing. And that was where you told the reader where in the book they could find different things, okay? Today we're going to add another special page to our book. It is called the Glossary. So here's my polar bear book again because it has great examples. So look closely at a glossary. A glossary has some bold words. In this case, they also made them a different color. They made them red. And then they tell you what those words mean. So for example, here's the word absorbs. It soaks up or holds something in. Camouflage is a coloring that makes an animal look like its surroundings. And the other tricky thing is that they put the glossary in alphabetical order. That means if it starts, this one starts with an A, so it's first. Here's a C, an H, a P, an R, an S, and another S. So they put them in alphabetical order. I'm not super worried about that right now. If you want to make sure your glossary that we're getting ready to make is in alphabetical order, you can, but it's okay if it's not, because this is our first try making it, okay? And that's kind of, alphabetical order is kind of another big thing. So here's how we're going to do this first. Let me show you, let's find the word absorb in the book, because they don't just pick random words here. Let's find the word absorb in the book. The word absorb is right here, and it's written in dark. It's a bold word. It says, the skin absorbs heat from the sun. Okay, but does it tell me what that word means there? No, but the bold word tells me it's an important word, and it might be a word I don't know. So anytime there's a bold word, there is usually a glossary in the back that tells you what that word means. Look, here's the word camouflage also. And we saw that in the back by the glossary, or in the glossary as well. See, here is absorbs and here is camouflage. So, as a writer, the first thing we need to do is get out all our old pages that we've done and think about if we used any words in our writing that the reader might not know. Words that maybe need to be explained a little bit more, okay? And we're going to be filling it in on this glossary sheet that I just sent to Mom and Dad. I sent it at the same time I sent the table of contents page. So this has a spot for 4 words. If you don't have 4 words, that's okay, but try to come up with at least 3 if you can. Words in your story that need explaining. So I started to kind of look back through, and I started in order. So I looked at my front cover, Pomme de Terre Lake. Well, the name of the lake is Pomme de Terre, so I guess I could explain that, but I don't really think it's as important. And then I put a marina on the front. And then also, the word marina is all over my fact page. And so I think that that is a word that I should make a bold word. So I'm going to go back, and I don't have to do it every time the word marina is written down, but the first time that the reader sees the word marina, I think I should make it a bold word. So I'm not going to do it here because that's part of a title, but here I've got Highway 88 Marina. So I'm going to outline that and make it a bold word so it stands out, okay? Marina. Now I can wait and put it in my glossary in alphabetical order if I want, or I can go ahead and add it now. So just to be accurate, I'll wait for a minute. So I thought marina might be kind of a tricky word. I also noticed that I mentioned the word dam a couple of times. So I have the word dam here in my diagram, and I also have it here when I talk about the marina that is by the dam. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight that word and make it nice and big, because I don't know if everybody knows what a dam is. Okay, so now I have 2 bold words that I thought I could work on. I looked at my diagram and I've got words like log and island and deep water and rocky beach. And I didn't really think a lot of those words sound tricky. I thought maybe a jet ski is something that we might not know what it is, so I'm going to make that a bold word. Even though it's two words, they go together because it's the name of this object. Okay, so I made 3 bold words there. Now I'm going to go over to my comparison page. I said the lake is like the ocean. I think we know most of these words here, but I'm just going to go ahead and pick the word beaches and make it a bolder word just to make sure that the reader totally knows that word. And that will be 4 words. Okay? And remember, 3 is enough, but if you can do 4, that's better. So the first step is to go through and find words that your reader might not know very well, and then to make them bold in your writing. Then you're going to go to your glossary page and you're going to write them down, and I'm going to try to add them in alphabetical order. So I don't have one that starts with an A, but I do have one that starts with a B, beaches. So I'm going to put beaches here. Okay, let's see, A, B, C, I don't have any C, D, dam is my next word, so I'm going to put it here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, jet skis is my next word. Jet skis. And then marina will be my last word. Now, I am not a dictionary. A dictionary is something that gives definitions of words and tells you exactly what they mean. So I'm just going to do my best job at explaining what these words mean, and you'll do the same thing. Okay, so how would I tell somebody what a beach was? Like maybe if I was talking to a really young child or somebody who didn't speak English and didn't know the word beach. So I would explain beach as the land by water. It can be sandy or rocky. Okay? A dam. So let me explain what a dam is. This is a structure built to trap water, to form a lake. Okay, so I explained what a dam was because somebody might not know what it is. A jet ski. A jet ski is like a very small motorized boat, but a really good way to explain it is that it's almost like a motorcycle boat. So I think I'm going to call it kind of like that. It's like a small boat-like vehicle for 1 to 3 people to ride for fun. Okay? A marina. A marina is a lot like a gas station on the water. So it is a dock, but it also has a building in it that has maybe like supplies, snacks, gasoline, things like that. It's a lot like a gas station on the water. So I think I might explain it like that. A shop on a dock by water, by or on water, that sells supplies and gas, like a gas station. Okay, so I have just made a glossary. Boy, I feel like a real bookmaker. This is pretty awesome. So your steps today are 2. You're gonna go back through, you're gonna look at every single page, and you're gonna try to pick at least 3 words that might be tricky words that your reader might not know. Now, if you think your reader would know all the words, just pick some kind of big ones. Like I picked beaches, even though I think you guys all know what a beach is, okay? Because we're just practicing understanding glossaries. Write your bold words that you made from your book on your glossary, and then explain what those words mean. If you need help explaining those words, you can ask a grown-up for help, but I want you to do the writing, okay? It's okay, just do your best spelling. Take a picture of this page and send it to me when you're all done, okay?